In this van tour, we'll show you our latest van conversion. This 2021 Sprinter 144 4x4 is our Moab layout with a large kitchen galley, a bench seat with pull-out toilet, bamboo finishes, flare space extended flares, a queen-size bed, a powerful Victron Battleborn electrical system with tons of solar, and a full plumbing system with hot water and an outdoor shower. And at the end of this video, we'll tell you about a couple of new products we're launching for DIY van builders. So let's get into it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Van Shop with Lisa with Thrive Vans. Hey, we've just completed this van. This is a 2021 Sprinter 144 in the gray white. I don't know why they call it gray white because it really doesn't have any gray in it, but oh well. Anyway, just to give you a little backstory on this client bought this van and she ordered parts and she tried a lot of things and it was taking her too much time to complete the van. So she brought it to us and we kind of gutted some things, saved some things, but ultimately she wanted a Zen feel to it, and I think that we nailed it. And this bamboo in this, you'll see the bamboo cabinets are beautiful, and she did a lot of elements that I really love. So let's get into it. I want to show it to you. Okay, so this is really our Moab layout that we do a lot for people. You'll notice the flip-flop, what do I call this? The flip-flop cubby. Throw your dirty shoes in there. We're going to go over here to our heater, which is always under the swivel seat on the passenger side. Right there is our S-bar heater. Coming up to our swivel seats, these were factory installed swivel seats. These are the fabric seats, but it lends to more seating. It's really nice because you can swing the swivel around. You're working on a computer. It also doubles so you can make it as almost like a cutting board platform. You put the cutting board here and then chop your vegetables and they're ready to go. Over here is your beautiful kitchen galley. She's got white uppers with the white solid countertop. It looks really, really good because it brings that white into this. She's got the contour microwave and 4 of the cabinets. For these 2, usually you'll put kitchen things in, and these last 2 you'll put clothes in for over your bedding. So that works really nicely. We do have our sink right here. This one is a Torva sink, and it's shaded kind of a stainless steel black color. I really love how that turned out. Of course, we have our outlet here that we always put in the kitchen galley. This is for coffee makers or other appliances that you may have. Behind the kitchen galley, we have the T-vent window. This is great for when you just want to let some smells out. And we also have the fan right here that will let other smells out as well. So it's lined up really nicely. We have the isotherm refrigerator here with your bank of drawers here. And underneath the sink, there's some space for storage area. We build our vans so that you visually can see all the way to the back of this and get at plumbing or electrical. We also have a water filtration system with this van, and you can see the water tank right here sticking out. So over here on this side, as you know, we have the toilet here that will come straight out on the 500-pound locking slides. And then right here is just a little cubby for blankets or towels or whatever you like. It's just an open space, open cavity. So something that we haven't done before that they opted to do in this van was the panel walls. Right here you have your Cerebro GX, your touch screen that comes on, tells you where your electricity is, where your water is, all the levels that you're always looking for. Right here is your S-bar heater on-off switch. We put it right by the bed so you don't have to get out of the bed, go to some place else in the van. Right here we have the reading lights for over the bunk area as well as the USB ports for your phones. We have one on each side. So here's 2 buttons right here enclosed in our panel walls. It's over the water. So this one is your dump, when you're dumping excess water from doing dishes, and this one is your pump. So one of the things, we always show you our vans with beds in them. She has a bed that mattress that she's gonna put in here. So it's kind of fun to look at what's underneath the mattress. So notice the cutouts in this hex ply. It gives airflow to your mattress so it doesn't get musty or stinky. And it just is really, I think it's kind of a beautiful little pattern that it goes on back here, but we don't usually show it because we have the mattress and we have the beddie on top of that. She definitely is getting a beddie because we throw those in with all of our vans. So she will definitely have her comfortable, warm beddie to have on top of her mattress. But I just wanted to see, I wanted you to see what's underneath the mattress. So this van, our client had already put these flare space flares in. We did all the upholstery on the inside. Kind of a tricky job because there's all kinds of curves going on, but I thought the guys did a wonderful job at making these look really, really nice in this van. So as you know, we love to put these cubbies on the slider. So you get these cubbies, they can be for dog leashes, keys, but it just lends for some organizational space in the van, as well as the back of the van. You can use that as kind of as nightstands and put your watches and other items that you may have at night. I know I'm always taking off earrings, things like that. So they act as nightstands back there. On this side, she had the Arctic Tern windows, so we did upholstery around them. So back here, you'll notice the air conditioner. This is our Nomadic X2, and we love it because it's flush mount. It goes along the ceiling. There's no drop down. It's black. I love it. It looks really nice, and it works really well.
So back here in the garage area, we've got our two mechanical boxes, the electrical on the passenger side and the plumbing on the driver's side.
Hey guys, do you enjoy the outdoors but planning meals has got you down? Whether it's space, weight, refrigeration, or prep, healthy, quick, and easy delicious meals can be a real challenge. More and more people are turning to Thrive Life freeze-dried meals because they're lightweight, need no refrigeration, have no preservatives, and taste amazing. Just add hot water and you've got a meal in less than 10 minutes. With breakfast, lunch, and dinner options, Thrive has got you covered. Check out the link in description for more info.
So on the electrical, we have our standard 540 amp hours of batteries, our Victron system. This is a 24 volt system. We've got the alternator charging, the shore power charging, and we've got solar. We've got a ton of solar on the roof of this van. I can't remember how many watts, but every square inch that we possibly could is covered. And I'll drop in the a graphic to tell how much, but it's like around 500 and something watts of solar up top. It's got an Orion roof rack, and like Lisa said, there's a MaxxAir fan and a Nomadic X2 air conditioner. So there's a lot packed on to a small little 144 roof footprint, but we got everything we could out of it. We like to put an outlet here on the back, so if they want to cook or run a compressor to inflate a stand-up paddleboard or a kayak or something, it can do that right here. And this is just a light for the garage light, so you can get have a little bit of extra light in here when you're loading, especially when it's at night. We've got L-track on both sides to secure things so they're not sliding around. Okay, so then on the driver's side, we've got all of our plumbing. We've got our Aqua fixtures back here, our fill inlet, and this is a shower. And we have the mixer right here. We put a little storage area in the back. So back here is their shower head, and they can keep their fill hose, and they've got a cord for their shore power. So everything, just nice little storage area right there. Then we've got a 36-gallon over-the-wheel water tank. We've got our IsoTemp electric water heater and a SureFlow water pump. So all of the plumbing contained right in here on this side of the van. So if you're doing your own van, one of the most intimidating parts is the electrical and the plumbing. So we are now building these, and we can either ship them to you, so you can just drop them in, or you can come to us and we'll drop them into your van. But a complete system, electrical, water, you can do one or the other, or you do combined. And then all you've got to do to make up your bed is add these extruded aluminum bars, 4 of them across the top. Your bed platform sits right on there. And so you can buy this entire kit from us now. And I'll drop a link in the description to the page on our website that talks more about this. We're also doing more and more client vans right now. This is a client van. We've got another one coming in a couple of weeks, a 170. Kind of exciting. This will be our first 170, and it's going to have a dinette and a shower and be a beautiful van. So make sure you follow along on the channel to be able to get updates on that van. But if you're looking for a van, we've still got a couple of 144s ready for build. 144 all-wheel drive. We have a blue gray, and we have a pebble gray. So if you're interested in those, you can hit us up. If you've watched our van tour videos, we've done a lot of vans in this layout, the Moab, but we've also done vans with showers. We've done them with dinettes. So we've got a variety. So we've just recently updated our website with more floor plans. We've now got 3 levels of vans. We've got a prime, which is a well-equipped, more standard, more adventure van. Then we've got our premium, which is pretty much what most of our vans that you've seen are. And then we've also got a new one called the Platinum, and the Platinum has everything in most of our vans that you've seen, but also radiant heat, radiant flooring, hydronic hot water on demand. It's got a lot of exterior gear like CA-tune bumper, winch, owl gear, lots of upgrades to it. So if you want to check out those 3 different packages on our website, I'll link to that as well in the description. So if you'd like to see more detail about how we do our mechanical boxes, our electrical and plumbing, you can click and tap the screen. We've also got tons of other videos on the channel about DIY van building, about van products, about van life. So please consider subscribing and be sure to smash that like button. And we'll see you in the next video. Jeff with Thrive Vans, thrive on. See ya.